Some very exciting news. We have all of the VersaFine Clair ink pads back in stock, as well as the Reinkers. So if you had a favorite color you had been wanting, if there was a color perhaps that you were missing and it was on your wish list, guess what? We've got it. Hi everyone, it's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com, and I am so happy to share with you guys all the beautiful colors that are currently in stock now in the online store. Now, another set of great news is the fact that not only are they all in, but they're on sale. That's right, they are on sale. So make sure you go ahead and check out the online store. There is also a discount coupon in the description box for you. Another way to get a discount coupon also is to make sure you sign up for our newsletter. So when you go to the online store, I always forget to mention this, you can sign up for our free newsletter, and immediately you're going to get an email reply, and that's going to have, I believe it's a 5 or 10% coupon for you as well. Another great way to get coupons too is if you are a channel member. So here on YouTube, if you click on the join button down below, there is a discount coupon code that is for the silver and the gold level. Okay, you instantly get access to tutorials, behind the scene videos, all kinds of special coupons, discount codes. There are also gift cards involved, free gift cards. I mean, there's just a plethora of benefits by joining and becoming a channel member. I will also leave a video in the description box that you can click on and learn more about channel membership so you understand all the benefits and perks that are involved. So that is a great way not only to go ahead and get the colors that you want, but also get a sale price and then be able to apply a coupon on top of it. So I wanted to make sure that I share that with you guys as well. Now, if you haven't visited our online store before, we certainly hope that you will, because all of the products that you see here, plus thousands more, the best products from around the world, are available in our online store, SpectrumArtCreations.com. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, we certainly hope that you will hit that subscribe bell, and ring that notification bell, because you will get notifications every time that we have a new video, whether it's an upload or perhaps we are live, because we do live sales here on YouTube as well, and so much more. So we certainly hope that you will subscribe to the channel and learn about all the most amazing products that come in every week from around the world. Now, I would love to hear your comments. So we are going to do a little giveaway from the comment section. If you leave a comment down below, let us know perhaps which is your favorite color. Do you have a favorite from all the colors that you see here? Is it maybe one of the beautiful greens, because there's quite a few of them, maybe some of the yellows, or is pink maybe your jam? I would love to hear if you have a favorite VersaFine Clair color. More importantly, I'd love to know, have you tried these? If you have, do you love them? I'm sure you do. They are world renowned for being one of the best ink pads out there when it comes to stamping and creating crisp, beautiful, stunning lines and results. So I love to hear your testimony down below. Now, once this video reaches 20 individual comments, I will be doing a giveaway from this video. So you want to definitely get your comments in there. More importantly, make sure you also share this with your friends. Share it in your crafty groups and with your friends, because they would love a chance to win a product as well. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a VersaFine color kind of giveaway, or maybe I'll do a gift card and you can go pick out your favorite ink pad color yourself. So just make sure you leave a comment down below, and keep an eye out on the video, because I will be responding to the winner in the video in the comments section. All right, thank you so much for watching this, for joining us. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. I'm going to leave another video here at the end for you to go ahead and check out some additional products, some additional bonus content, as well as inspiration, ideas, and more crafty fun. I'll see you in that video. Thanks. Bye.